This video is called The Sleeping Kong. Act 1, Scene 1. Kong is laid to rest. Dong. 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 You can hear the dong. Cathedral dong. Bells dong. Chiming in the distance dong. 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 King Kong has been laid to rest. That is the end of Scene 1, Act 1. Scene 2, Act 1. Kong is sleeping. Dong! Dong! Kong is going to be awoken. And he's a recluse. And he's going back to sleep. But we won't stop there. No. 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 You hear Kong. Those gigantic Kong lips. That's perfect for tearing apart bananas. Another long object. Let's get a shot of Kong's ear. Maybe this.
No, what the fuck?
Kong, awake! He rises!
No, come on!
He rises! Kong! Kong, wake up!
Ah!
Wake up!
No!
Wake up! Kong is going to wake up.
Not today.
Come in, wake up.
No!
Kong! Look!
I wanna go to sleep!
No, Kong! Arise! Face the challenge of today! Face the challenge!
Rachel, why you messing with me?
King Kong!
No!
King Kong! The end of Scene 2, Act 1. Scene 2!
No!
Good night.